Hello, dear friend. This is Sharon from DoveProxy. DoveProxy has the stablest and cleanest mobile proxy within 30 minutes. The online rate of half an hour is more than 96%. DoveProxy's mobile proxy is highly anonymous, and the cleanliness is more than 95%. So the pass rate of access is higher to keep your data safe, clean, and reliable. DoveProxy has 180 million mobile IPs. There are 4 access methods to use DoveProxy's mobile proxy: the API mode, channel mode, time-limit mode, and high concurrency. And today, I will show you how to apply DoveProxy's mobile proxy by using time-limit mode. When you use the time-limit mode, please note that the IP usage is time-limit. It will be valid within the setup time. Once it exceeds the setup time, the IP will be invalid. Firstly, you sign up. Please input your username, password, confirm your password, and select the source. How did you find us? By Google result, forum, social media, coupon site, referral? Just choose one. Then input your cell phone number. Input your email, please. You will receive an email verification code, and you input the email verification code here and click verify email button. Okay, after you finish sign up, you can log in using the username and password you just got. Okay, now we come to the dashboard. Before you use the time limit mode, please finish the traffic package by firstly, you click the recharge button, and then you can see the traffic package, concurrency package, and channel package. Now we see the traffic package. For time limit mode, it's okay for you to buy traffic package. For example, you click package 1. It is $4.99 for 1 GB. You click the Buy Now button. Now a dialog pops up. This is to remind you to choose a country. You can choose no preference, or you can select which detailed country you need. Okay, now we click no preference. It's just according to your need. And you click the OK button. Now we come to the payment method interface. There are 2 kinds of payment methods: the traditional payment and digital currency payment. You can choose which payment is best for you. For example, we click People, and then you click Next Step button. Because the PayPal transaction fee is very high, we will pay half of the PayPal transaction fee for you. And then you click the OK button. Okay, now you finish your PayPal payment. After you finish your payment, let's come back to the dashboard. You can check your purchase record by click Recharge menu. And then you can click Other Records to see whether you buy successfully or not. After you can confirm the purchase is okay, you can come to the menus on the left of the interface. Now, click the Management of the Authentication Account button. Click the Create button on the top right to create the new authentication account. You input your account, your password, and next is to choose the project. Please note that the parameter no filtering of this project means that the IP acquisition is completely random. If you select a specific channel such as WhatsApp, means that it is necessary to filter and ignore the IPs that have visited WhatsApp and have been used. Okay, we choose, for example, no filtering. The traffic usage. The traffic usage limit, it means you can set the upper limit of the data that the sub-account can use. For example, we input 2000. Note here, you can input anything you want to make a note or none. The status. There are two status, on and off. On means to open and maintain a sub-account. Off means to close the sub-account. Now we click on. And then we click the Save button. After that, you can see the account information here. And this is account name, and this is the traffic usage limit, the tokens limit, and total traffic consumption, a project, no filtering, status is on, registration time, note, and this is operate buttons. You can edit and you can delete this sub-account. And now we click the proxies menu in the left menu list. And now we click the proxies menu in the left. We can see that the proxy types now it is mobile proxy, and click application scenario. So please note that the IP it is time limit. It will be valid within the set time. Once it exceeds the set time, the IP will be invalid. So IP won't be able to shift automatically, and new request for the IP is needed. Here are some parameters. Zone, it is proxy pool identification. Mandatory, yes. Region, it means area. Do not fill out default. Internationally random. Mandatory, no. You can click to view the country code table. City, it means city. Do not fill out default random. Mandatory, it is no. You can click to view the city code table. This is the country code, city name, city number, number of IP. Session, it means to set a specific IP. Choose user's customized definition. The mandatory it is no. Session time, when collocated with session to set the time for IP shifting, it shouldn't be longer than 35 minutes. Mandatory it is no. You can select the account has the authentication. For example, we click Sharon. Proxy areas. You choose the country and city needed. If no specific requirements, choose default. Time of duration for a single IP. So you set the IP duration time here. The duration time ranges from 1 minute to 35 minutes. Let's input 5. The proxy protocol. You can choose HTTP or SOX5 as you need. Output code. You can choose QR code or IP port format. The output format, you can choose text or JSON. Acquired quantity. The amount of the IPs. You can put in the quantity of the IPs that are needed. It can range from 1 to 1000. Now we input 3. After you set all up, please click this Generate Proxy button. And now you can see the result right now. And then you can use the time limit mode of mobile proxy right now. Below here are the language instances for your reference. Any questions and any help you need, please contact us anytime you want. Dear friends, DoveProxy is worth for you to try. Please contact us for a free traffic package to try by clicking this website in the description below. You have access to get contacts to find me for more DoveProxy information. Thank you very much for watching our tutorial video. It's better for you if you can subscribe to our YouTube at Dove IP and review our videos below. Your feedback is a great encouragement for us to show you more and better about DoveProxy. Thank you. See you next time.